Everything wrong with this RC truck. Let's begin. First of all, I hate when it has this antenna. I'm pretty sure other people hate that too. Let's take a closer look at it, shall we? Look at this antenna. It's very cheaply made. You can easily tell. If you look real closely, This has like a mini tiny animatronic in it. You see? It has this tiny wire cut off. You see? It just cuts off right here. You can easily tell, look. This tiny animatronic wire is cut off. And what for? And this too, this tube thing doesn't even reach this. It just sort of like flimps around, see? It's very cheap and annoying. And look, and what for? It just flimps around and moves everywhere. And what else? Oh yeah, there's more. Oh yeah, you can like play with it just like that without the remote, see? You might think that's great, but it's not. First of all, sure, when you move it, it makes this sound, see? Yeah, it's very annoying and noisy. And yes, and this body is cheaply made. AKA, this RC truck's body is cheaply made. That's what I'm saying. You see, it's made out of cheap plastic. You see? And all of this is all stickers. It's not painted on. It's not painted on. I repeat, it's not painted on. It's all stickers. See, all stickers. And some of them are not even put on right. See what I mean? See? They didn't put this red stripe on right, see? It comes across this headlight sticker, see? Very cheap and lazy. How you see? Here's another piece of a sticker, like kinda like a little bit ripped. It's just cheap. Don't buy this stuff, guys. Don't. And look, it doesn't have real shocks. It doesn't have like springs. That's what I'm saying. See? Look, I'll bring the light up closer. See, it doesn't have real shocks on it. It's all plastic. All the whole body is plastic. And it's very cheap. Look underneath. It's very cheap here too, see? All of this body is all a piece of plastic. AKA cheap plastic. Here's the battery compartment. And look. And turn this white thing to steer forward. All like nice and all. But even though I steer it, see? It's all like normal. I'm like forward, I mean. And yeah, like when I steer it, it goes quick. It goes to the right side. I don't know why. Even though I put it forward on this tiny gear thing, white stuff. I mean, and you see, it's just cheaply made, guys. Look, let me show you what I mean. And you see, the antenna came off. Every time you flip the coil, it will just come off, see? Don't buy this stuff, guys. It's not worth your time and money. And here's the remote that comes with that. It's just cheaply made. Very cheap. Look. You see, and you see, it says this RC. You see, you can see it, but it's not even painted on right. And you see, there's tiny rocks on it. Again, they're not painted on right. And it has that same annoying antenna and the wire cut off of it. And look, look. See, cheap, cheap, cheap. And it's made of cheap plastic too. Don't buy this stuff, guys. Not worth your time. Let's try it on. It barely turns. It does turn, but barely. It's struggling. Look, let me bring it in closer. Look. Look at this now. Every time you turn it on and try it out, it makes the annoying loud noise. Look, listen to it again. This is just annoying, guys. Look, it doesn't have real headlights. Look, and the buffer is not even painted on. And you see? It doesn't have real shocks again. Just cheap, cheap, cheap. I tried on, it does go on the grass, but barely. I tried to bring it in, it does, but it goes very slow on the grass. So there's everything wrong with this RC truck. Should you buy it? No. Buy something more expensive, something that runs a little well, and not this. Okay guys, don't buy it, and thanks for watching, and bye.